Assalamualaikum and good evening to all the judges of the Teaching and Learning Posters Ideas Talfi 2021. First of all, our invention is the Smart Al-Quran Memorization Application. Our inventors is me, Ismail bin Saleh. Secondly, Associate Professor Dr. Muhammad Khairi Osman, Associate Professor Dr. Mazilah binti Mahsin, Muhammad Zulhalmi Harun, and Muhammad Syarul Azwan bin Muhammad Isa. First of all, we would like to explain our abstract of our invention. The Smart Al-Quran Memorization Smart Al-Q application is a multimedia application using Adobe Flash CI6 with Action Script 3.0. This Smart Al-Q apps was built based on the EDI model to enhance the method of teaching and learning Hifz Al-Quran. That's mean Al-Quran memorization based on the theoretical teaching of Al-Kabisi 1955, who is one of the Islamic scholars who emphasized the method of learning memorization using the senses such as visual, auditory, and kinesthetic. Basically, this app is focusing on the concept of learning His Al-Quran using the senses such as listening, scanning, and reading. The development of this app is in line with the 4.0 Industrial Revolution and 21st century education approach. Basically this app is a learning tools to help the student in memorizing the Quran, which is integrated from the traditional method into the technology method by using the digital mushaf. We let's looks at the objective of this invention. Firstly, this invention is to enhance the method of teaching and learning memorize of Al-Quran from traditional method by using Mus'haf, the traditional Mus'haf, to the technology method by using digital Mus'haf. This application is also help for student and the public use. Secondly is to help the teachers develop new skill and method of Tahfiz teaching and learning. Okay, and this application also apply this essential Tahfiz learning tool as for lifelong learning. This application also helps students to memorize in the era of COVID-19 pandemic, which is help students to memorize Al-Quran in self-learning or self-regulated learning. Let's we look at the advantages of this invention. This invention is have a repeat of each sentence and the repeat of each by group of sentences of the ayah of the Al-Quran. This app is more to memorization instead of others Al-Quran apps in the Google Play Store and App Store is more to recitation. Basically, this application is we create more to memorize, not just for recite. We if we look at the Google Play Store, we can find very so many application just for recitation. That instead of our application is more to memorization. This memorization application contains recording features to help the memorization process, which is the student can test their memorize from by click the memorization features from this app. okay let's we look at the usefulness of this invention. The usefulness of this invention is to improve the teaching method of students memorizing the Quran from the traditional method by using the method of Washaf, using the traditional method, to technology method by using digital Mus'haf. This application also can be used of student and can be used from the public. okay and secondly, to help teachers stimulate new skill and method of Tahfiz teaching and learning. Okay, thirdly, this application apply this essential Tahfiz learning tool, and student also can consider this application as a learning tool for lifelong learning. And we look at the novelty of this app. Okay, the content of this app had gone through the content validity and reliability by Sheikh Qadri Abdul Hamid, who is the expert scholars in Tahfiz learning from Darul Aman Institute of Al Quran Iqdar. Apart from that, he is also one of the judges in the National Quranic Memorization Competition. The SMALQ application was tested. We are conducted content validity and reliability and tested. This application also was tested among 10 students who are undergoing Tahfiz learning in SMK Agama Kedah Al-Ustar Darul Aman, Al-Ustar Kedah Darul Aman, and 7 expert teachers. And this application also was protected from the copyright from the Intellectual Property Corporation of Malaysia, MyApple, which application number LY 2019001911. Okay, this application also have we can commercialize our this application also have a potential for commercialization. Okay, firstly for educational program and higher learning institution. Secondly, can be used for novice Tahfiz teachers and beginners in Tahfiz learning, and also for administrators and educators of the Tahfiz programs. Okay, lastly, let's we look from our picture of this our invention and recognition. Our recognition that we have been received. Recently, we have received several recognition and award from the we received a silver award from International Innovation, Creativity and Technology Exhibition I2Create 2021. And secondly, we received a gold medal from the National Innovation Invention Competition through Exhibition iCompact 2020 at Polymas Citra. Thirdly, we had received a gold medal also at International Industrial Revolution 4.0 Exposition IREC 2019 at UiTM Merbok, and this is international level. Okay, this is our recognition lah. We have been received from this invention from our invention. Okay, that's all. Thank you.